Welcome back to my channel, Babyrose Wari. So, ngasi video se loi bhaugi minase maramdi loirakpada I will give you the some tips Amazon gi matang da khara haizarake ado mayam loi bhaugi minase. Huzik Amazon dagi poche mayam la aina poche mayam kaure fresh nahan aina kawe habdo ke kaino la ise yengase hujik yeminar se mayam इसे अखोने Amazon दगी कोबनी को like vegetables में हम स्लोई कोबे यानी तो सी vegetables के से हमना fresh होने लाए मेथी के कासे यो हमना fresh होए मरम दी नुचाशु हम साइ हुजे heat waves सुलेरी को बोमे तो नुचा मपान तो थोगा दी हम ती ना केनो तम केनो है बदी को कंगाव ए मपान तो कंगम ले तो नहीं हो vegetables में हम से हमना fresh होने लाए अदुगा minute tarada 10 minutes यो रही को so that's best you see hafta thamagi din nate ko sometimes we go out have de koi mapan da chatle marak ta do tu ye room chu lai re sigi ye room se farm made si samna pai so si chicken se hoi packet pudi chicken ni go si se packet or so si se hidak kap ta chicken ne no injection have the no injection nothing no कई बार सीसे इंजेक्शन नहीं है ना जो आपने बताए थे नो एंटीबायोटिक्स नो ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स नथिंग अदुना सीसे फार्म चिकन ने को अदुना सीसु यमना फ्रेश होए सो बेसिकली कोई चाबद यमना we spend a lot on the eating because healthy food ओइबदो healthy food से हमना दरकार ताई कोई धाम की तो दाल हवाई मक्खन उड़द काली ग्रीन मूंग दाल इसे मिक्स मिनट तारा लो यौरे Amazon से हम काने मैं यहाँ पे तुम खंबी रमगने हवाई चिंगवाई से थाम गिने तो ना कौन से moringa powder 100% natural moringa powder support immunity supports bone health yam lere heart ki yam phai liver heart loi support to because he said na health gut health ki so amna phai moringa me hi se thakpa ai ni pa amna thai ai shu thai marakta duga kai no so bit what all are there vegetables come in vegetables makha thamage hangangi diaper sula yeah vegetables bilendri champra beetroot hoi mapan dai su lau lei ko marak ta ado habdi yam sabani na thokpa ngamde ba ayuk pung tariat tagi humang se hekta aroi bine ba sa se na we mostly call from outside we mostly call from Amazon like that
yeah it's nice and fresh and good no
yeah good khana ready ये आ गया my favorite ये मरीना को मरोई के धनिया से क्या ये और coriander अरे I forgot in Manipuri spring onion avocado mushrooms चावे हमने खाई beans two avocados इससे amada lupa 155 tang but it's okay see avocados is it's from Tanzania Africa the Guinea that's why it's a little expensive but eat healthy I would say yoga is not about just physical it's about health also right aduna aidi chabada khoi yam phazana kano tawe chia seeds su like organic ko khina lai se adu like mak shure ado I think that's it loraba Amazon oh more vegetables hawaya sangudo basil dahi broccoli sleeper tupi but little expensive, but it's worth it because in this heat who will go out? I'm not going out anywhere in this heat. I took my guide is hunger consider mine fresh fruits. Are more veggies? Mayam later memo. Okay, no man go say what is this? Banana. Lychee banana. Oh, sisi lychee banana ne. Do koi shake thak pagi banana shake. Okay, so later. Then tomatoes, tomato. Come in a sin but the yowder the yard recordo. More tomatoes. I wish I have my own farm one day. And capsicum. Then ginger. You know what my husband did? He peeled whole ginger. Loinamak hato eduga kautam da hape. I would say I got turning a can the layer that was in a hand. Koido is how good, but like no, he put it oil and salt and kept it. And I know kind of ginger se kai later again thira can I have these chaga turning a can the layer the one in a koido is how good person ginger my am coach helle. Because no kind of oh, this is what pineapple. This is wali mundoy ba. It's long time to get this thing. It's full green, babu. So pineapples. The wali mundoy ba to.
I want to eat pineapple chicken.
Pineapple and chicken, yeah. He makes mane recipe, yeah. Na how much me pineapple ne chicken ne umorok ne mana that king chili na and basil. Although man kanom thong e mana recipe ma ado who house so I know past the king chili say he uses in very different cook different cuisine and it's very tasty. Baby, this one is off.
We will tell them.
Yeah, so she say phatar bala e laputaro se ado laputaro se phatam lam ne na koi return to bayai and change it. This is not fresh or like we can get our money back. Go. Onion, potato, aloo, tilao. Loire, I think it's over. Do we have more?
The most important thing.
Diaper. But we don't use everyday diaper these days. We switch. Have the ningtha ay nahan utpado ningthaga siga nungdanga amuk khatang nongmada at least 1 or 2 max. Si kay no khara ko bane sti chakhum da hang ya ro surbit mapan da thokpiro o vi bane masam di ho de adu rasaina si on bagi kano panning bado đây clip mà chám câu bì ré this is clip nhắm hông nghe si se Amazon sige fine ngai ba ma ko have the GST su noi file to yam ne Amazon da like if you have GST number you can file it right Surbit GST number file taraga you can save some money haibadi yamna lik paina tabako at least paisa khara save toption basu yamna darka taidana so GST file to yai noi khangdragadi khangagadi best khangagadi okay my makeup pouch traveling makeup pouch all together mine to gain the quality set not bad for a few months using not bad. It's okay and you can always return it if you don't like it. We're traveling I'm taway na makeup sa ina amam da hapagan sa pado kaya to ba but it looks nice too. See the yaure a lot of pockets so which is nice. Brush up to good brush and it's nice not bad. Enough space. This is my traveling makeup kit. Because traveling kar tawdore, luhong machatore. A lot of weddings now coming. That's why. I see mark the cow. Sana kay na. Oh, the small. This came very tiny. I thought it's a big one. You can always return it, right?
Yeah.
I know more give picture the chow but it came very tiny, and it's okay. I can keep it for Tash. I chanpi thambira get first jewelry box for her. It's okay. Magi chain ke kas happy it's fine. Chanpi ki oide. Then what is this? Oh, katimta. Oh, this is a Jagi lyric book. So cute. Where is baby's belly button? Oh, baby's eyes under her head. See, angang interactive oiba lyric ne ko. Where is baby's mouth? Behind the cup. This is nice, no, Babu? Where is baby's belly button? I am harawe mo lyric like we was say. See, passed already. This two is passed. This one, she needs I return to over. I'm going to buy in person. This one, let's check. So Amazon they may am return in 10 days to be bad do may am the call do to be I may am na do and a kanga money sna makeup organizer kara lipstick may am later though I like this one is passy the quality. And so again traveling to running on, let's check this quality. आगे से क्वालिटी से फब्रिंग से
never always fake leather from Amazon because it keeps coming out like resin.
What do you think, Touch?
It's nice.
Come. So this is not so great quality, but adum season you can use it at home to keep somethings. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this pass.
Is it value for money?
Yeah, it's a little bit value for money. I got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 300 something, which is fine.
How many now? Do every.
Big one, and a medium size, and a small size, smaller size, quite a big size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be my baby's jewelry box. Magi clip mayam sa thambiyare one. Si magi ohel lage ai chagi ohel lage se magi clip mayam macam thambi na ba. Aduna si na magi khuji ke ka happy na ba. Handak chagum dore aduna sina poche to pahapage. Like mostly this will be for her only, like macam am la eba purchasing se, so I want to keep it for her. And that's it. So this is pass. Si pasta ore, si pasta ore, si pasta ore, si pasta ore. Among all of these, this is my favorite. It's like quite a favorite. Done. So see you all for next time. Mayam thing na rase mathangda, and like, subscribe to see more of Babyrose ki Wari at home in Bombay in the flat. And badam se Kashmir dagi ni ko lai se shigi badam se badam aseng ba ko magi masak se dum ubiram gani to California badam do na chawraga masak phajai dana si se ngo masak phajada bane, but it's the original badam from Kashmir Himalayas. And to the high, so unlike imported almond Kashmir, Manras do not have consistent look in terms ko and size to size mayam si tongali na si sina badam aseng ba it has the magi natural oil yawi aduga tinga kanda masak phajarai adunga sagi California badam du deep it looks nice ko masak phajai but magi thau mayam diloi chingthokra matungda aduna mangonda California badam du thau yauge ba si sina thau yaugba badam ne aduna mayam na healthy oiba badam chaningadi sigi badam si chabiyo and they promise moina promise the we sigi vacuum say to vacuum tawraga lakani na but if one packet is not vacuum si packet ama vacuum tawdragadi you get the refund have the moi pura refund tawrakani and that's one thing good about Amazon ko ama Amazon dagi pot chai leibade am nungai se refund gumba pot defect la agadi refund phangi ko siguma moina promise tawraga laktaba and plus have the return adagi GST replace to bayaba haina layerdi ko so it's good so mayam na badam aseng machaningagadi sigi se order to biyo mamandi khatang tangi 500 grams to 1600 niko but it's worth it kyunki it's the real badam aseng ba badam ne have the thau ke kalo yaw budo adu mahau shu tongali si se to mayam dum biram ngani masakadi ko si to magi kano shu leising masakadi phajade adubu mahau di am na leibe hele han California badam lagi okay for now hujikidi bye bye ado mathangida thengnarase agi channel se like subscribe comment ta Bombay gi matang da kai khangningi kai uningi haibiro life in Bombay Babyrose ki Wari see you all next time